All right, create a graph. Use the information provided to create the graph of your own. So we have the position of the house in meters, which is the x values here, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 9. And then we have the time dog walks, which is these t values here, 0 seconds, 5 seconds, 12 seconds, 17 seconds, 22 seconds. All right, so what is the independent variable? So the independent variable is going to be time. So that's going to be here. Let me get a lighter color. So time, and my dependent variable is going to be x, which stands for position. All right, so my x versus position versus time graph. Is there order in the numbers? So is there order from 0 to 9? No. Is there order from 0 to 22? No. And order just means that do they flow in a sequence? No, they do not. All right, what is the range for both the x and t axis? So the range is the largest number subtracted by the smallest number. So the largest number for for x, the x axis is going to be 9 minus 0, so that's going to be 9 for the x axis. And then the highest number for time is going to be 22. The lowest number for time is 0. So the range is going to be 22. All right, and we can go ahead and just put that on the graph so you can know where to start. So the highest number for x is going to be 9. Highest number for time is going to be 22 seconds. Okay. All right, so next let's finish. What is the scale for the x-axis? So the lowest number is 0. The highest number is 9. So we can go by 2s. We can go by 2s here. That'll be most appropriate. All right, what is the y-axis scale? So it goes from 0 to 22. So we can go by 5s. Okay, we can go by 5s. All right, what are the labels for each axis? So the x-axis is going to be the position. From house, and it's going to be in meters. So that is going up and down. And then right there here, position from house. And the label for the x-axis is going to be time for walking the dog. And I'm just going to put time here. All right, so next it says plot points. So let's go ahead and start plotting the points. So our scale, we say, is going to go by 2. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and then 10 is up here. And these are all in meters. All right, and then we have the time. Time is going to start at 0 here. All right, and we can say we're going to go by 5. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and then 22 will really be here. And then this could be 25. All right, so next, let's go ahead and plot the points. So 0 to 0, that's going to be here. Mirror me. All right, 2 to 5 is right here. 4 to 12 is, so 12 is a little bit above 10. So that's going to be here. We have 6 to 17, so that's going to be a little bit above 15. So it's going to be right here. All right, and then 9 to 22. 29 to 22 is right here. All right, so connect the dots. And our legion is going to be called position from house versus time walking dog. All right, so when we read this, we see that the dog speed changes because it's curved, and that he is moving forward because it's going up, and he's moving in the right direction as well. So again, the dog speed is changing, so it slowly starts to increase, then it slows down a little bit, then he picks it right back up, and he's covering a distance from 0 to 9. So dog is moving.